Let's go. Sibling rivalry.
One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? We've been working just that. Hello.
What's up, everybody?
And welcome back to Siblings Rivalry with me, Talita Ndima.
Zukosisa Loyiso, Buddha Lloyd, Tasara, Tazux.
Tasara.
Yeah.
What's that now?
Mntu xa ngusisa kaloku uba ngutaba. Not Sarah. There's a difference.
I know, but it's such a short name.
Zuko's got a nickname.
Someone gave me nicknames and now I've forgotten them.
Oh, we.
In the city, look now, it's Steve.
Yeah, wakupa.
And they were so dope.
Oh, is it?
Yes. I'm
Clearly not that dope, innit?
No. A lot has happened since.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to it. Sibling Rivalry back on your screens again.
Mm-hmm.
First and foremost, I'd like to take this opportunity to remind you to subscribe, like, follow, hit the bell, and do all the necessary things. Guys, I think over the past couple of weeks, we've done some growing.
Absolutely.
And it's been so amazing. And my one wish, if I had one wish,
I'll be your follower.
right?
Yeah.
Is for you to follow us. Yeah, that was my little ad break for today.
No, well done.
Yeah, it's always something that I always forget to do. And then you guys remind us to do that so well. And so many times. And I know that usually when we make the call, you guys pull up. So yeah, shout out. Thank you so much.
For sure. I checked the numbers the other day and I was like, oh.
Yeah.
Reminding people. What?
Correct. Do you know what I mean? Like on Spotify, we chased 1,000 in like a week and a half. And now it's like 11,000 point. And I'm just like, yo, we are going higher and higher. So that's really cool.
I found the names that person sent me.
Oh, did you write them down?
No, I just screen grabbed.
Okay.
And so I want to run them past you.
Sure, let's go.
Why are you laughing?
Let's go, bro.
You know when someone's trying to tell you something and the first thing you do is laugh, it discourages them.
But why are you discouraged? Because you haven't said anything. Oh, ndizama ukhupha intsini ngoku kwenzela uba ndingakudiscourage xa usowubizile.
Sana.
Huh?
Okay,
I'm protecting both of us.
This is from Simply Nzuzo. Ati, happy birthday, Sis T. Ndiyadlala Mata. Tala.
Okay.
Tisman.
Talita when only lady. Tisman. Yeah.
King Ta is the one I like.
Okay.
That's it. This Teketiso Zako ke ezo so that you match as a goddamn super.
Oh, okay, sure. King Ta.
I've never heard before. King Ta is not from her. It's from me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Fair. Namja mtanu King Ta. Talala. Talala. Talala goes down. Kestoti. Sovela pestalala la yawo.
Really?
No.
Funny thing about Tsotsital is that some of the words that we use in Tsotsital today, especially isiXhoseni, used to be proper words back in the day. And now they're classified as Tsotsital, like Idladla.
Okay.
So Idladla used to be the name of a hat.
Iwogi.
No.
Hey, yes, I'll come out of my cup. Can't get you.
It used to be a hat. I don't know, I think it's or something like a storeroom. They used to call it Idladla.
Yes.
And now we're using it.
Yes, so for example, if kulinywe umbona nendoni ndleni kuzobakho igumba apho kustorwa khona ezonto ezo namaselwa nendoni yabo.
And now it's like not a proper word anymore
because awasekho amadladla.
I guess
elokishini awuzolufumana idladla.
No, idladla nali for me.
I don't know if it's a good place to store things, but here we are, innit?
It's a perfect place to store things. How's your week been?
Funny, come on, so nice and brownie. Ndiyayithanda malendo.
Thanks, it's a birthday gift.
Inansika brownie. Inwele is Bexy.
Oh yes, I've got a whole thing. What's that?
Nawe ngapho golden delicious brown okwakho. Very nice.
This is one of my very awesome birthday gifts from Sposhi.
Shout out.
So Sposh was gone. She only came back yesterday. So I was like, okay, sure, Ndwanam. For tomorrow is not promised.
That's okay. Kusenokwenzeka kufuneka sikunxibise lento useboxini.
Usunxibisa umfisho eboxini.
Njani? Uzobonakala apha mosfonini, uzobonakala ngezantsi.
So abanye abantu abanxibanga ngezantsi eboxini.
Do you think banxibile?
I don't know. You know what? I also think
don't tell us. You are going to kill us.
No, I also think that we should have a uniform for Ilanduka, like or something. No, I don't know. It's just weird.
Huh?
Okay, I just think it's weird that bakho umntu ngokufuneka acinga uba uzonxiba iphi outfit. Your last outfit.
Bakho umntu ozafuneka acinge okanye as in you are the person who has to think?
Yeah, no,
or
not
someone
me.
has to think for you?
Yeah, so
Khutu into wethu naibo.
But that's not how the process goes. I go khutu.
How does the process go?
It goes back. Oh, wayithanda ke into ethile. Wayithanda unxiba suit, for instance. What?
I doubt everyone who's been buried in a suit right now to maybe suit.
This is an example, bro.
But ilana ntoyo ba umyazana bona mnefaka iskipa sebhola. Kodwa wayindlela wayithala ngayo unxiba iskipa sebhola lo muntu lo.
That's so true. So how do you think the process goes?
And the husband in Ireland about flexibility, respectable, nestima. No.
Funeka be formal. That's what I know.
Which is so wild.
That's what the wild part is for me, is that song as ufakwa ku formal wear. Why?
I nindifaka izibheks ezizabo nabazalana ndicela. Hayi ndiyanicela nindifaka izibheks. Because nasinye zithini? Nindifaka izibheks.
Wena uzozithini?
Oh, ndifaka izibheks ndihambe nazo.
Yeah.
Ndiyangcobeni kaloku 6 feet.
Okay, fine, fair, heard.
Yeah, ndifake izibheks nindifake into zam. Ngabe niqhuthisana ngento zam, neewash zam nentoni ndifake nazo. Yabe nibhizi pha, hayi into zikabhuti
So we must just bury those things.
With me, nindinxibise.
Well,
yes.
Okay, sharp.
That's actually quite interesting. But we must talk about it. We must actually talk about it again soon. Lendo ye kokuthiwa intoni? Yayingeyo book of life, file of life, life file or something like that. That we spoke about with Airpop. We must revisit those things and I think get a little bit more granular when it comes into those things.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, and it was nice to kind of start it off with the generic information, but I think there's definitely room for us to get a little bit deeper into that.
Ibinjani iveki yakho funini?
Iveki yami be nice, Buddha man. It be nice. Weekend, weekend be birthday yakho. Bekwiwe your family life ekerki. And then yayi birthday yakho. And then had a kind of decent slowish Sunday. Yeah, man, it's been fine. It's been fine. Actually, it's been chill. Man. And I think I'm malnutritioned. So I think I'm losing a lot of weight because I'm malnutritioned, because I'm running a lot. But this didn't happen last year. But
did you run this much last year?
No. So that's what I think I'm ahead of what I ran last year. And I think I'm not making up for it in terms of nutrition. So I think umzimba wami is starting to pull from wrong places.
Yeah.
So I just need to
itself.
Yeah, so I just need to pop up when it comes to that. Because also for me, ngiyavela six pack. But now I'm just like, God, and then build muscle from ubutinga.
That's such a funny thing.
I mean, you understand? Ngoku circle of handles. Uyayiqonda zonke ezawe.
Indawo zobambela.
Uyayiva ngoku. Hey, uyiloo nto imtyibilizi. So that, yeah, you know, the good and the bad of certain things, you know, because unfortunately with fat, you can't target fat. You can't say target amatanga or target no. If you target fat, chisi fat Buddha.
Yes.
And I suppose the way that you need to work with that maybe is to exercise is to then build. You can target muscle building.
Yes, 100%.
So in as much as chisi fat umzimba wonke, then ke ngiyabani ndifuna ingalo. Focus ngalo, bani ndifuna isifuba, focus isifuba. So that's just what I need to do now, is to kind of look at that. Because, yeah, I know definitely bonakale. You understand? So just because we're young, so yeah, but I mean, I think having noticed what that is, I think I'll definitely do something about it, because I wouldn't like to kukute for comrades. Comrades is 8 weeks away. That's far, bro.
Yeah.
I figure the elite size most.
I was a winner.
I figure
and we expect you in the top 10 in the story.
100%. Shout out to those who ran 2 oceans.
Oh yeah.
You guys are the actual real superheroes.
Yeah.
So shout out to you guys. You guys represented so well. Well done to everyone who did that.
Yeah.
Even well done to the other people who did the 56 on a Saturday and then woke up and did the 21 on a Sunday.
That's insane.
Love that for you guys.
My friend Mo did her second 21.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, shout out, Mo.
Yeah.
Hi, Mozi.
Hey.
Yeah,
and so, big shout out to you, bro. I mean, starting to run in your 40s is...
not child's play. Bro.
Nah.
Can't be.
Nah, it can't be, bro. So, that's really cool. Yeah, Nami Vekam Beraiti. My party was amazing. It wasn't a party, it was a brunch.
We get together.
Yeah, we get together.
We brunch there.
We're funny. We figure out 4 doesn't mean us figure out.
You know, children, you took I got to buy brunch. Ke go for basim ke page past 6 late brunching.
It was really, really cool. I had such a cool time. I was so glad that I did it. And everybody who showed up was just so great. And so it absolutely warmed my heart to be in a room full of, you know, people I have chosen.
Okay, cool. 100%. No, I'm glad to hear that.
Of
gifts.
Look, chummy. The most gifts I've ever received in my life.
Oh, really? This is the thing. People only want you to call them to go somewhere. See, rating a gift, in class or take a gift box. Go back. Oh, man, it's just really weird. Hey, man, you want easily on artist feel like, yeah. Cardigan isn't a gift.
Got some really cool gifts. Got some Kaiser Chief paraphernalia. I'm so excited about it.
I'm surprised you're not wearing it right now.
Because I thought my baby could shoo when I left the house.
Oh, sure, got you.
Yeah.
Oh, you thought like me.
Exactly.
Skipper was born in this living up hands, son alarm.
She's thick.
You wouldn't get the band faint and voka. About me sitting Kulani chairs. I don't know how I do this to myself, and I do it to myself very often.
Yes, because that's so. Then you can't do it. Then you can't wear an old T-shirt because it's not fair.
Skipper sangapansi. What I refuse to do is to maybe skipper sangapansi. That's a joke. Ne vest enter and you understand him don't tenga I vest enter. I for ngibanga and him understand.
Vest ngjobi.
I get it, but I understand him. I'm just like, you're spending money on something that you're going to wear under your clothes.
Wow.
That you can wear under your clothes.
So, Senzila Lendoba, if you were in an accident and then they said, take off his T-shirt, ungavuki. Because
will be a positive thing, right?
That's so funny. Also, no one's going to judge you.
Fake, offended.
Hey,
afterwards goes
Yeah.
ezi silon zithanda ukhomenta kwizinto ku-social media. Someone's gonna post me, hey, isikipa nisibonile nina. Abe wonke umuntu e-concerned ngenye into, so
Abanye abantu zi-silent.
sorry. Also man bayathanda ukhomenta into ezingabafuniyo man.
True. 100%.
Yeah.
So nothing hectic. Namhlanje, I was in the most pain I've ever felt in my life.
So legs.
No. I thought breaking my leg would be the most pain I felt in long. Namhlanje, I got attacked by my uterus.
Bible.
I even had to call for help because I couldn't.
Biza.
When you...
Oh, okay.
Why?
I got to be okay. Take. I'm just saying.
No, well, if Smash hadn't been back in the country,
So what happened?
I just started getting cramps, but like the worst cramps, like the one where you're like, I'm either passing a gallstone or.
But there's something happen. It's not period pains.
It's not period pains. Also, because I don't andizazi period pains at all. But apparently, my perimenopause is kicking in hard.
What is that? Like with
it's like
pain?
premenopause, right?
And
so what your body does is it gives you more estrogen.
Yeah.
And so indoors of estrogen are intensified. Like when I'm going through.
And this is the first time that this happened.
Yep.
So if man happened this happened this morning.
Yeah.
If man happened so fast.
Internet.
Okay.
Because I was like, so Smosh came and I was like, I want to go to the hospital. And then I was just like, then you figure hospital and they say I've got period pains. Then 5,000 Rand later, the Nigwe pain tablets. And so I did a lot of, lots of this and what about this and what about this. And it all points down to ovulation can become unbearable. And that's exactly what it was. Unbearable.
But according to the app and according to Nancy calendar.
Oh,
wow.
So
and that thing, what now? Your first sign? Your first symptom?
No. So 2 months ago, I also had period pains for like 4 days. And I never have period pains.
Oh, ucwangcise Chom. Akuthiwa kaloku
Kuthani?
Akuthiwa kaloku ucwangcisa also kukuhamba ze-period pains nexesha ikho sesikhathini.
Yeah, certain ones, yes. But no, thank you.
What?
Because you also get fat, you also get pimples.
But that depends on ucwangcisa ngantoni, doesn't it depend?
Yes, but it also depends on your body. So your doctor can't tell you about izokwenza njena lena. Funeka uzibonele. Yeah. So yeah, today was
all the
rough.
solutions I had for you.
Yo, it was rough, bro. It was rough. And then I started thinking about, because menopause manifests differently in all of us.
And these symptoms zayo zi-222 million.
Exactly.
Whoa, zininzi bra.
And no one has the same symptoms. What ends up happening is you don't necessarily feel comfortable even talking about it because it's your thing.
Yeah, all right, Titan. Yeah.
But I was like, you know what, namhlanje is okay. Do you mention if anybody has dealt with Lendondi Dilenayo, Kaubalisa Okwako? But I almost didn't make it here. It was touch and go.
For how long?
For like 45 minutes. But because Smosh came and gave me pills, I couldn't even go get the pills. I couldn't. I was writhing like, but like with noise and tears. I was like thinking to myself, I tell you,
It's something I
yo.
That's so hectic. Wow.
So
anceda sezapilisi.
Ndanceda sezapilisi. Iipilisi ezindithathileyo for my leg, but I haven't really taken those pills. So yeah, ndanceda sezopilisi, and then I slept because I was just like, but also so much pain that you want to throw up. And I had nothing to throw up, but I was expelling things out of my mouth. Literally. And I was like, this is insane. People are silently going through the stuff.
That's one thing that I've learned, bro. Bruh. And people just keep it moving, mate. People just keep it moving, bruh.
Because we're used to suffering in silence.
I suffered shit in silence. Also, and then indanga ho ibithe phuhla amehlo papi was
ingazazi ba mayithini sasivela kuba you're passing gallstone, is it your appendix? Sifunde yila nto kuba appendix ayikho nje. But there's that there's a very specific way in which period pains happen that everybody describes almost the same way, where they go, iskingati, you're gonna give birth through your bum, like and that's exactly what it was, but like this. Sana
andithanda uthatha lithuba loba ndikubulele bawo bawandenza ngolu hlobo wandenza ngalo, because I don't think I would be able to.
The thing is, on our choice, this is another thing. You know, we all think we wouldn't be able to. I don't think
up until you have to, and then you do, my man.
You do, bro. But I never thought I could inject myself every day for the rest of
Fairs.
But do I want to live? I guess.
Twice. He test the insulin.
Test the insulin every day. And then when people see me do it, they go, I could never do that. And I go, you would.
Ne?
Yeah.
Oh, I feel so not grateful.
Why?
Because like, and no likeness to that in my life is only could be contact lens. I was like, never that, mate. You can miss me. Oh, ngoku. Yeah, ndivele ndithi ndiyikhuphi contact lens endingayinxibanga. Tsala iliso. Indlela endingaloyiki ngayo. The other day I was like, and then I literally pinch my eye and I pull my eye and it jumps back, little platter. And then I was just like, and then I looked down, didn't all the contact lenses amuyikupha nansi apha ekhawusini sona lam. That's one. I was go ingakara indoda nyani ngo.
Yeah, dude, you literally you can do whatever. It just shows how like we are geared to staying alive.
Sure.
So
yes.
No matter how painful or how uncomfortable the thing is that ensures that you stay alive, you'll do it. Sure. I was imagining before it happens to you. Yeah, for sure.
Damn. Hey, phone is better, man. Better phone. I'm glad.
Oh, phone in the drugged up.
Yeah, it's better phone. Yeah. And as I've got at all phone, we are clock.
Just like your
normal self, Bolil.
I'm surprised Bosch didn't call you because the better come.
I was a phone over. My doctor, son,
no, but just to be like, hey, you know, Lando Yoba, like something happens to someone, and then let's say something really no, and let's say like something really bad happens at the end of it. Now people are asking you questions. Kutenunga phonanga, kutenunga. So our thing was like, let's see if the pain pills are gonna help, and then if they're not gonna help, then
the only thing I'm not getting like mouth to mouth boy. First aid. Otherwise,
I'm to even walk on my crutches. It was that bad.
I talk. That's scary, bro.
Extremely. And now I'm just like, oh, I wonder what the next 3 days have in store for me.
Gosh, I hope not, mate.
Yeah, me too. Are you ready for the causiness of it all?
I'm ready for the causiness of it all. Yeah, hit me.
The causiness of it all.
Dog.
Oh, ndibeke phi bawo.
Ifihlile ke ngoku,
Ndile
Granny.
ndayifihla. Excuse me. So, there are certain words. I'm obviously now obsessed with words that we don't use anymore. So
Sure.
my whole thing is going
100%.
that way.
Happiness.
But also, just to say how descriptive our language is, because a lot of the words you might have never heard before, but you can guess by
You
Indoni.
can you can draw the link.
Yeah. Okay. So this this section is gonna be about clothes, right? And you know how impahla, ibhrukhwe, ishirt.
Homonyms. Ngiyacinga impahla nempahla. Impahla le ikhatshelwayo nempahla lenxitywayo.
Hallelujah.
Mm.
So I'm gonna give you the Xhosa word, and then you're gonna tell me what it is in English.
Isiqoko ndiyasazi. Isiqoko ngumnqwazi.
Okay.
This is interesting.
Ubhenqo.
Yeah?
Ubhenqo.
Sounds like a skirt.
Look, to be fair, it's part of so it's not the name of the clothing thing, but it's a part of the clothing thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Ikhola.
Fair. Fair? Because we call her uyenza ntoni?
Uyayibhenqa.
Right?
Hmm.
Ndithe scared ke mna ke, because for some odd reason I'm thinking of doing this to a skirt, but you wouldn't do this to a skirt.
No, unless you're in VP High School in 1997.
Okay, ikhola.
Mm.
Oh wow. Okay.
Right?
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Ibhinqa.
Lungisa ubhenqo. Okay.
Yeah, lungisa ubhenqo. Yeah. Ibhinqawa.
Ibhandi kaloku.
Yeah. Right?
That's such an ugly word.
What?
Intambo yobhinqa. Bhinqawo.
Wow.
Bhinqawa.
Mm.
Okay.
And this is one of those proper words that have turned to Tsotsitaal. Ingxaza.
Yeah, ibhrukhwe.
Because what do we say for ibhrukhwe? Ibhrukhwe.
Ibhlukhwe foni.
Brook.
Blue.
Yeah, but
Brook.
come from
Brook.
brook.
Brook. Funny brook. It comes from brook.
Okay, last one. Imiphakato.
Clothing items.
This is part of the clothing item.
Underwear.
No.
Vest.
No.
Skipper sangaphansi.
No. But you're doing well, but no. Last one?
From Pelelo.
Pockets.
Fair.
How cool.
Fair. I was so close.
Yeah, I know. Because it's all
inside.
Yes. And that's what I said. It's part of a clothing thing. But yeah, those are the words I learned this past week
Okay.
that I've never heard before.
Sure. For
But
sure.
that makes so much sense.
They make 100% sense, Lawi.
Because it's typical to doing is close.
Chani ubize le nto sibiza ngayo ngesixhosa uthi sithi ntoni ngesixhosa?
Ipokotho.
Usinqobo.
No.
Tapi.
Tough is that? Layer 2 rand.
Yeah, correct. Inanzika. So I was thinking within last week. Yeah. So last week, guys, kwenzeka something, then ke ngoku kulo something inda end up entshayela ke kwaThalita last week, by the way.
Begrudgingly so.
End up entshayela kuThalita. And then, yeah, I think, bengalamini bentshayela ngayo. So kwenzeka something right andizokwazi ungena details man yazi into busy yabo. So kwenzeka something last week and then last week njengoba kusenzeka lento it all ended up in me asking Talita to do something for me, right? That I had asked someone else to do for me before, right? And then ke ngoku laa mntu wavuma but wa-end up engakwazi uyenza lento akayenza, right? And lo mntu bendimcele lento aliselide libali and alicaci akuthethwa nganto specifically. But I hope you guys hear me out. The end up ndicela uTalita. Yabo? Laa mntu lowa besendimbhatele ayibuyise imali laa mntu end up ndicela uTalita. Now Cheba ndicela uTalita. Now the conversation in my head was mna as an individual, but the conversation in my head and it brought about the topic to say ba uTalita yi-accountant and yi-sister yam, right? Mna ndinida ukwenza lo msebenzi wobu-accountant. Ndingaba ndirongo na you understand? Ndingaba ndirongo na ti when I asked Talita to do it andilindelanga ba uzawuthi mandimbhatale. Ndingaba ndirongo na uTalita ezawundicela into. Ndingaba ndirongo na xa ndizathi okay ke izaba yi-40 rand ke semntasekhaya. Ndingaba ndirongo na xa uTalita nxibe i-moon boot because onzakele umlenze sigqibe urecorder ndihambe ndiyomdropa kwakhe ndifike kwakhe ndithi i-Uber inoba ibiza bayima asitshani what's happening now?
Carry on. As you were.
You understand? No, yandazi kalo mna ndingumntu othanda ukwenza imizekelo ephilayo. Uyayiva? Ingabe ndirongo na xa ndinothi kuTalita ba okanye ndikhuphe yam ifowuni nditshekishe ndithi hayi Uber ke chomi ibeza by 150 yabo. So khandibethe nge-150. You understand? Because ndikuzise apha endlini yabo, otherwise ubuza ukhwela i-Uber. Ndingabe so my thing is like when it comes to sibling code, right?
And service providing.
And service providing and whatever the case may be, is there a specific code by which to go by? Where we can then say about, oh, okay, cool, I mean, Talita, come on, eat this one.
Magas fixa mazi.
Sister yam funding. And because also namda menzeli way. Yabo? Tamdropa mthayendlini and nix.
I would think you do that out of the kindness of your heart, but clearly.
Yabona.
Sorry.
Yeah, remember.
I take it back.
Ne? Senza imizekelo ephilayo.
Sure.
But the feelings and the things that we are saying is for the sake of the conversation. It doesn't mean this is how I feel. Remember, we are sitting here and we are speaking from not only my perspective, but the perspective of the world. You understand? So, sithethela nabantu. You understand? Anything that is said on this show cannot and shall not be held against me in a court of law. Yeah. So that kind of like was the thinking, right? And I very much was interested in terms of chatting about that, right? From that perspective, right? And I know we've had the conversation like in terms of expectations versus this, that, but I've come to realize that there almost in everything in life, there's an expectation attached.
Of course.
Now, ungangicela ndikwenze into ne. For example, ungicela uba mandiyokudropa. Andizokwenza umzekelo ophilayo. Ungicela uba mandiyokudropa, yabo? And I'm like, oh, okay, cool, sharp, sister yam. Yabo? Cha mna ndimenqondo me. Ngalo mini wena ufuna ukundidropile. Uthi kume hayi ke izaba yi-120.
Yeah.
And I'm just like, oh.
Yeah, but that's your
Tithini,
choice.
the invoice like for the 4 times in
No,
like
you chose not to make me pay. You made that choice.
because it was
I've made-
awkward for one. Why couldn't
Awkward for you.
Wha-
I've made a different choice.
Then ungakwazanga undicingela now because you know also that you'd ordinarily be paying.
Yes.
By the way, no problem drop everything. Kumzekelo,
I'm
there's
literally
nothing
thinking,
to
oh,
internalize.
how am I going to get home today?
There's nothing to internalize. There's nothing to further think about at all. It's just for me. It's also just such a nice example.
It's a great example.
Yeah, it's a very very nice.
It's very simple.
Yes.
This is the thing now.
Uyiperforma ngoku xa ndiye eshowini yakho ngithenge amatikiti uyisista.
Yes, but you're also supporting my work, and you know this is how I make money.
Okay.
So if you're not paying, there could have been someone else filling that slot paying.
Okay. So what are we saying? Are we saying a baseline it if this is a primary activity that I use to make money, then pay? If it's not a primary activity, then it's fine. It's not a primary activity to babysitter, mosne.
No.
So if babysitter, ndingayibhatala
yes.
400 per night or 600 per night. But your sister yam,
'Cause that's their
abatshana bakho.
Yeah, ngabachana bam. Essentially, what I'm doing is spending time with abachana bam, and I'm making you pay me for spending time with abachana bam.
So
That's such a tough one. I think it needs an honest convo, bro. Also, I think all of it does.
Ndingumntu honest convo, but Sanalam, I hate the fact that honest convos just do not get easier
No,
to
they can't.
start.
No.
Easy zona zonke i-honest convo
Yeah.
once you are in the convo.
Yeah.
But for the next one, they just don't get. For me, I just feel like
No, they
difficult
don't.
conversations don't get easier to start at
No,
all.
because you're not having the same conversations. It's because they're different every time.
Iyantika ke mna ke loo nto leyo personally.
I don't know. It's a strange one. Even for me, you know, I know when you asked me and I was like, ay, ke la mali ke.
And she said it exactly like that.
But like later on in the week, I was like, if he had asked me first before asking that person, would I have asked him to pay me?
Bebona ke le nto zenu zoba ne-insomnia. Cinga yonke into le.
And I was like, I actually don't know, because I think the only reason the money is coming up is because I know he was willing to pay for it.
Yeah, there was a price.
Yes.
You know that there was a price at the point.
Yes, there was a price at the point, and this is money you're willing to give to someone to provide that service.
I mean, I wouldn't be saying willing, but
You know you have to, right? And so for me, I'm still like, I was gonna be there anyway. So it's not like you took me out of which I then understand why you make someone pay, because now I have to drive myself to a place, now I have to blah blah blah, now I have to get an outfit, now I have to blah blah. But I was going to be there anyway. I already have an outfit. So you are paying for essentially the service. But I don't think I would have asked you to pay me if you'd have asked me first.
Sure. Okay, sure. If there was no value attached.
Yes, exactly.
In the first place.
Because now there's a value attached all of a sudden.
Yes.
And I'm aware of the value. And I'm going, well, me and this person do the same thing. Why would you pay that person and not pay me? Because we're providing the same service. Why? Because you're my sister. Okay, fine. I don't know.
Kuchobali, just because kuchabazali, andikhumbuli sisenza DNA. Mhlawumbi. Your sister.
If I just sister yakho, I'm doubling my prosperity. But I'm still like in a strange space where I'm going, I would feel weird like making it a thing, making an invoice.
Sure.
Right?
Sure.
Because it could easily be my gift to you.
Mm.
And it's not really much skin off my back.
It's yeah. Lenon Choiba. It's so tricky because Lenon Choiba.
As if when we mention Alendo Bandon. Oh, okay. I just had to food about Balandi, but we're lost.
Oh, I guess it's I mentioned.
Yes.
Hey, Marke. Must I mention?
Why?
Because early.
Meaning?
Meaning ba kabanda bangayazi.
And?
Andifuna bayazi before.
Why?
Ndifuna ba
Surprise.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. So, I don't know. And I'm sure you've had this conversation with your better half. And what is
And
the conversation?
friends and everyone.
Oh, so you've had the conversation with...
I've kind of had the conversation because Lenon Choiba now it popped into my head. But hi man. Lena, there's a lot of and I also suppose for me it was also a point of whereby I was just like, probably also there's been a lot of breakdown in sibling relationships based on expectations.
Yes.
And expectations that are not being met. Whether those expectations are communicated or not communicated or whatever the case may be, right? And now to say, Guti, surely there should be some rules or things that we can put in place, right? Just like we always like when we're talking about something to say, oh, okay, but maybe you do this. And we have our own opinions and suggestions in terms of how to make these conversations easier, make the relationship building easier, make things better for everybody. You know what I mean? And I was just like, this is just another thing, compartment, topic.
For sure. And I think this one has got more variables as well because not specifically ours, but like let's say I'm a dentist.
Yes.
And you want me to do your teeth for free, but
Okay. And now because this is Tayamuya, you owe me that. I don't have to do anything.
Yes, but you know what you owe me? And so I'm going, pay for it. Because we nonsense you won't do. Because
Yeah.
And whereas if me and you have the best relationship in the world, I'd easily
Goes
go,
without saying,
come
right?
through, bro.
Yeah.
So there's variables there, which means we can't make it a black and white statement.
Correct. We can't make it a black and white statement, and we also can't equate, and we also can't make it a value statement.
Yes.
So I can't say, Mnaba, no, I'm a photographer. This would cost you. I'm going to come to your party and do photographs. It would cost you 8,000 rand. Then you go to the minus is
8,000.
Could that be a way to manage it though?
No.
I'm just saying, man. No, we're just making sure that we are exchanging value in a fair way. That's fair for everyone. Because you must remember that it's as fair for you as it is for me now. Kandi City. Kalogu, if we pay for Sita Talita ne, Balin, 500. Sharp, soon need 500. Kage, now Zandenzela indong 5 clipping and you mean. Or E180 zams or go to Z6, Z10. 1.8 layer. Therefore,
you owe me 3 sessions of babysitting.
Not you owe me,
yeah,
but I'm just trying to be like that. Yes. So it's like you don't owe me because at the end of the day, if you don't need anything from because also what if there's nothing that you can do for me as a sibling? It costs you money.
This is my whole chat.
He says, Brian. No. I don't know why Bryce always top of tongue.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Okay, so that might not work simply based on the fact
that 10 years will go and you haven't done anything.
18,000.
Now I'm gonna think twice before asking you to help me with something because on patalisa is guy win.
But do patala. Anyways.
Yeah, so I would rather call a service provider to help me with something. Exact. And so was we took like panile. But also you then you hear that I've called the service provider and you go, hey, bro, why don't you just ask me, bro?
Exactly.
Because ubuzonibhatalisa. Thende ngafuna ukubhatala.
Thende ungafuna i-question efuneka usibuze yona is kutheni ungafuna umbhatala umntana kokwenu. That's the question.
So then when do we then just do things out of the goodness of our hearts? If sibamenengo.
I don't know. I actually don't know. Iyayifuna is a very big honesty bit.
Yeah.
And because at the end of the day, look, at the end of the day, and I think someone that I was having this conversation with was just like, okay, cool. Now, sister yako is seamstress. But now does it mean zonke lokho zam or zonke ibhruwe zam zonke isuit zam funeka zenziwe nguThalita?
For free?
No. Miyako for free. But does that mean now
oh no
funeke ndibhatele uThalita for ukwenza zonke into zam?
No.
Uyathunga sharp, it's fine.
Yeah.
But mhlambi ikhona enye into eyayibithunga, like, does that mean that my sister Talita is a photographer? Zonke iipati zam nayo yonke into funeke ndiqeshe uThalita azonantsika. Then what happens in the instance whereby ndimqeshanga uThalita? Now utheni uyaqumba uThalita if ndimqeshanga ezazi kuyi-seamstress? Wow. Oh.
I think this is one of the trickier ones here.
Yes. Because the human mind also is saying to you, because there's also the human element that's like, uThalita njani andihlohle njani andihlohle nge-invoice kodwa mna zange ndam-invoice.
It's not about you though. It's about her. So now you're comparing our hearts and the way we think and our dondons.
So nenhliziyo embi. So even ndakwaba unenhliziyo embi yo-invoice feke ndingakwenzeli into ezi-free.
No, because now you're changing your heart. Unenhliziyo enhle wena.
Wow.
Why must you change your heart to fit mine?
Because ndiyakhubeka kaloku xa uzandihlohle i-invoice.
So ngoku you must do to others.
I'm fine doing things for you. I feel fine.
Yeah, so when did you stop feeling fine when I gave you an invoice?
Yes, now I'm just like...
Oh, so were you really fine then?
Really?
Were you really doing things for me out of the goodness of your heart?
Yes, I was.
And then what?
No, I wasn't. Because I had an expectation. But now but I didn't.
The expectation was that I would do the same to you. And as soon as I don't do the same to you, now your expectation changes. Was that a real thing? Was that coming from the bottom of your heart then? If your expectation...
invoice.
And now I don't mind. I've got an invoice app. It takes me 30 seconds to invoice you.
In fact, when I have a customer ID.
Business, I don't know. I think it's a strange one. And I think having a conversation about it is...
That's quite something.
Having a conversation about it, first and foremost, will inform you of what the expectations of that other person is.
Yes.
Yes. And so you can work around that.
100%. And get the onus is on both of you. If one doesn't start it, the other one needs to start the conversation.
Then you can see where you guys feel and where you guys stand about it. And then you can go, okay, my sister, how about this? According to your expectations, you expect money. But how about Klaumbi, DT, or whatever?
Clean up kwakho.
Give me my money. Where it's my money? Whatever, exchange you do because this is my expectation now. But you could have that conversation and someone could go, funny.
Somewhere. Just the has thing over. Okay, so I think let's have this conversation.
saying you have to have a conversation is also the scariest thing in the world.
You're not sure. And it goes back to, it's such a difficult thought
No, it is a
to
difficult
have
one.
to start a conversation.
No, for sure.
What does that mean? Does that mean zimbi? Because why is it so hard? Because yazazi wena ba expect ntoni, yazazi expectations zakho.
Because you're scared that your feelings and your expectations might hurt the other person.
Love it.
So there's love there.
Oh, yes. Yeah. And there's fear there.
Yeah, there's fear there of disappointing the person or whatever.
Of being disappointed
And
by
being
the person.
disappointed, yes.
Because ungena when you expect mhlamba hey ayizonibhatalisa funding le. But let's have the conversation anyway. Ask umntu Buddha. Ukuthi bafuna ndikubhalele nansi ke
Yeah. And I mean, I might make you pay this time and not make you pay the next time because something's tight this time. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, but should I be paying you because I was tight? Zakuboleka imali kaloku into zikwazi.
Well, like, so I can pay you back after rendering a service. My boy. Come on.
You're risky. You're skating on thin
Yeah,
ice.
you're skating on thin ice. Because you could be like, I've had a really bad month and fine, soon padala the money that you were going to pay the original person. Just pay me half of it. Would that not go down well with you? Because you've saved.
Me being me, doing on the Yamaiko right him. Why are you having a bad month? You understand?
What it is
I care about you as a person, right? And now, if I didn't have this thing for you to do, you'd still be having a bad month, and I wasn't even going to be able to help you. So how do we?
Or someone else was going to ask me for the same thing, and I was going to go do that instead of doing this for you. And I'm going, fine, I won't charge you my full price.
Yes, but now I'm saying, well, the bigger issue now is why you're having a bad month.
I slipped and fell in a banana.
Be humble, because what say fix the problem yakho yoba le bad month. Because uqala ba nemanyanga wrong Talita. You understand? So nansi nanizama.
Yeah, this is terrible. You're going to places we don't need to go to.
No, but we need to because I care about you. Because kaloku mina ngisuka ka dead review. You understand?
For the next 12 months, dead review will come up in this.
Actually, it's 3 years. You understand?
Mm-mm.
So, hey. This is the whole entire gag, bro.
I broke my leg. I couldn't work.
Yeah, funny, but I mean, like, as I take always saying, like,
now you're in my pocket. No.
But I'm in
Are you going to pay me or nah?
in your pocket.
Did I ask you for money?
Of love.
But they kind of tell imali, but ngicela undiboleke imali. Because ngine bad months. No. So I'm not anduklupi. I'm just saying you were gonna pay for this anyway. Pay me. Why is it hard for you to pay me, but easy for you to pay a stranger?
It's not easy. I told you. And it's not easy, nor am I willing. You understand?
But you'll do it without having this back and forth.
It was a stranger. No, that's fair.
Statements.
No, that's fair.
No,
and
it's definitely not black and white, this one.
It's not black and white. And I think it's very situationally dependent. As you rightfully put it, relationshipically dependent. But where's your relationship? Number one, where memory dependent.
Yeah, for sure.
So ni wrong ngoxa.
Ewe. Amanu unkhumbuza.
Ba awukhumbuli kufota.
Bunganifoti out of the goodness of your heart, bro.
Ewe.
Goku, what
No, dabuza nje ba uyakhumbula nani. Okay, sure.
I was there.
Okay, it's fine. Hayi benifuna nje uqonda uyakhumbulana alikhona nithethayo.
Ikhona yini for you.
No, I'm just asking if you remember me dropping you home 12 times gogo uphuko umlenze. Ndakuthengele ends ze-crutches. You understand that? I'm just like
35.99.
Yeah. No, definitely that. So definitely that's wrong. Uchoki memory because intention wrong. You are trying to bring up a point that wouldn't otherwise be there. And at the end of the day, it's just, it's just caution to the wind, Mjan. Oh, it's so tough. Because now I'm just trying to think about how does the outcome of that conversation, however it is, affect
the rest
going forward
of your relationship.
Yes.
So simama nangoJepo.
Okanye kaloku ubambe wena u end up ubambe uJepo wena as umuntu oyi-one. Uqonde okay. Siya invoice ana okay kwakho.
U-invoice ungafuni.
U-invoice ungafuni ungekho sekoneni xa uzawuthi ndisekoneni. Yabona bubuxoki ngokobo because now uphinde uthi ndisekoneni uyazazi ba ukho sekoneni and you need le 180 yoba ndikudrophe endlini. You understand? But ndibe nqonda ba okay. But ke senza le way depends.
Yeah, and that's uphindisa and you and that's you changing your genetic makeup or whatever, your emotional makeup, because that other person has done something that you didn't expect. And do you want to do that?
No,
or
you don't want
are
to
you
do
more
that.
than willing to carry on doing things out of the goodness of your heart?
Yeah,
no matter what that person does to you.
Yeah.
But and I'll do this for you for free forever.
Poverty xa so spanch and loyal.
That's such an interesting one, actually. That's very interesting with no answer. And the only answer is take it case by case.
It's literally case by case.
Yeah, it's case by case.
And I think the best thing that we can pull out of it is knowing who you are, getting closer to who am I? Ndingumntu onjani? I-character yam ithini? Yes, I can think about ndingumntu kind. When I do give, am I giving with the expectation of receiving? Am I giving because I'm just a giving person? Am I giving because I'm a people pleaser? Am I giving because it gives me acceptance? And how do I respond when the response of that giving is either not reciprocated or is not appreciated? Do you know what I mean?
Does that make me stop?
Does that
behavior?
Yes.
Does that mean that's my character then?
So many questions. So many questions, and one thing I like about so many questions is that there are also as many answers out there.
Exactly.
But just the challenging thing that I think we ought to all kind of chat. I love what you said in terms of ungubani kanye ungubani wena uyenzela ntoni leyo. So I think that's very, very important for us to really think about who we are.
For sure.
Who we've been and who we want to be.
100%.
Why? What is driving us to do the things that we do?
And we are different people to different people. So also, your one answer is not going to fit in another situation.
Yeah, fair. Because also the things aren't the same. The variables aren't the same.
Exactly. And I think we forget about the variables. We tend to just think of the case et and forget there's so much interpersonal and intrapersonal things that happen in the same situations that you can't judge the situations the same way.
And a situation, take it as that situation.
Exactly.
It's got nothing to do
with last week.
Last week. It's got nothing to do with next week. It's got nothing to do. It's literally a brand new exercise all the time. Me and man Talita can photo for free. The next week, did my man and photo for free? Don't assume I got photo for free just because you said no the first time.
Doesn't mean that's the end of the road for you, bro.
Heavy. Thank you for that, bro. I think that's very, very helpful. And just as Ayike advice and Itanda more than the advice that doesn't tell you what to do, but just like puts
makes
all the
think.
things. Yeah, makes you think. Makes you think because the answer, as you so rightfully like to put it, decide about, okay, cool, this is my answer.
For sure.
Proper.
Let's
like
head
that.
to the board. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. I don't know if that could be any clearer.
Yeah, because if you're not trying,
You won't make mistakes.
You won't make a mistake. When's a mistake? It's proof about when's something.
Yeah,
I know. I think as clear as day, it doesn't become any clearer than that.
Yeah. But we tend to be extremely scared of making mistakes, which kind of keeps us
chasing some sort of perfection.
Yeah.
Which doesn't exist.
No.
By the way.
No, not at all. So I guess at the end of the day, don't be scared to make a mistake.
Don't be scared to make the mistake.
At the prospect of making a mistake, actually, at least.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
So when the mistake ngamabomu.
No.
So also uyenza into sekusithiwa a mistake uthi wena no ndizawuyenza kaloku because it's proof bandi. Also learning from mistakes is great. Learning from others' mistakes is even better.
Yeah.
But if you do so happen to make a mistake, it's not the end of the world. It's proof that you are moving. Trying to moving.
Perfect.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, brings us to the end of this episode.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for the advices that you are going to give and the perspectives. I can't wait for the juicy stories of between you and your siblings in terms of what has happened and what is happening. But yeah, definitely something to take home and think about for me. Yeah, definitely something to think about and push around in my own mind and refer on. So yeah, thank you, All Wise One. We really appreciate it.
Cool.
Yeah, I've only age is a wisdom.
Is a wisdom, the perimenopause.
Hey, dog.
Thanks, guys, again for joining us, and we look forward to your comments as per usual. And you'll check them out on the Bling Line. Bling Line beefing up. Bling Line is beefing up, and we'll see you guys again next week as per usual. And don't forget to love yourselves so that you can
love each other.